Hi, I'm Taylor. I'm a professional makeup artist, and I'm going to show you guys my simple spring skin routine. Starting off skin prep with Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. This sunscreen is SPF 40, which is amazing, protecting your skin from the sun, and it also acts as a primer and kind of blurs your skin a little bit under makeup. Another thing I love about this sunscreen is that there is no white cast whatsoever. Now that my skin is prepped, I'm going to go in with the Morphe Lightform Foundation on my Camara Aunique beauty brush. I'm going to take one pump of this foundation just on the back of my hand, and I'm actually going to kind of spread it out on the back of my hand. And the reason I like to do this is because I like to then dip my brush into it and get it evenly coated. That way when you go to put it on your face, there's no weird globs, like it's already doing the work for you. As you can see, this foundation is a very buildable medium coverage. It's doing a great job at covering up my redness, but it still feels like my skin and is very hydrating. And you can go back and forth between using swiping motions or, like in the areas where you have more redness, use more of like a tapping motion, and that's gonna allow the product to build up a little more and give you more coverage where you need it. This foundation has a really nice satin finish. It's not overly glowy or overly matte, it just kind of has that satin skin-like effect. The radiant finish that this foundation gives is perfect for spring. Next, I'm going in with Drunk Elephant's Rosy Drops. This is an omega-rich formula that's a hybrid between skincare and makeup. Again, I'm just working off the back of my hand, tapping in with the brush. And this has such a nice serum consistency. It really blends so seamlessly into your skin. I love that these Rosy Drops are multitasking. You get skincare benefits while giving yourself this gorgeous flush. It's very natural. It just looks like your skin has a perfect little flush. I'm just tapping on a little bit more with my finger because I just want to pack a little bit more opacity right here. Now that all of the liquids have been laid down, it's time to go in with our powders. So I'm starting out with this Fenty Blush in Sundress Season. Tapping off the excess and just tapping that right on the cheeks. The reason we want to set all of our liquids and creams is just for more punch of color and also for longevity. So this is gonna make it so that we see this blush all day long, doesn't fade, color's not going anywhere. So going over top with this Fenty blush is gonna lock in the color, but you still see that glow through from the Drunk Elephant drops. So once I've applied to the cheeks, I take whatever's left over on the brush and I'll actually skim over my forehead, tops of the nose, even the chin. It just helps marry in the color to the rest of your face and kind of gives you that natural flush. Another pro tip is actually taking your blush and running it through the socket of your eye really gently. This is just gonna give you a monochromatic makeup look, and it's subtle, but all of a sudden your whole makeup look is pulled together. Lastly, I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake and Snatch powder. This is a brightening and setting powder. And I'm actually just gonna do this right in the T-zone and in the areas I wanna brighten, and I'm gonna leave the perimeter of the face kinda dewy because I wanna keep that fresh spring look. So a little in the T-zone, a little under the eyes. And I love that this sets and brightens. This powder blurs, diffuses, so it's really great to kind of go around that blush as well and just smooth out any harsh edges. I'm honestly so impressed with the way this powder looks on my skin. I have dry skin and a lot of powders do not look the best on me, but this, like, I still have a radiance to my skin. This is the final look. That was my skin routine for spring. The routine is quick and easy and my skin still looks and feels like skin, but it gives me this natural flushed radiance that's perfect for spring. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see more, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to IPSY's YouTube channel. Bye!